Certified. With your host, Zach Zimmerman, and RoyOMartin mascot, Otis the Bear.
Hi, I'm Zach Zimmerman, and welcome to another edition of Board Certified, where we highlight RoyOMartin's quality wood products and what makes them special. Today, I'm here to talk about our Eclipse OSB Radiant Barrier. You know, if you're not using it, you're literally not as cool as you could be. But we can fix that. So here's the deal. Eclipse OSB Radiant Barrier consists of a low emissivity perforated 2-ply film laminated to an oriented strand board structural panel made of wood strands aligned in 3 layers. The panels are coated with a seal on all 4 edges for added moisture resistance and dimensional stability. Now, all that is just fancy talk for how amazing this product is. When used as roof sheathing solution for residential homes, it can reduce attic temperatures in the summer by as much as 30 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hold up.
You had a question?
Did you say Eclipse can reduce attic temperatures in the summer by as much as 30 degrees Fahrenheit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I did. And that means improved energy efficiency, reduced home temperatures, and lower utility bills. You know, a little anecdotal example, if you go out to the construction site in the summer at lunchtime, you're likely going to find all the workers taking their break underneath the Eclipse OSB Radiant Barrier, where it's a lot cooler. To test that theory, I've had RoyOMartin mascot Otis the Bear over there testing that theory. Hey Otis, how's that Eclipse Radiant Barrier? A lot cooler under there? Now, I could tell you that I had some of the RoyOMartin research and development team make me this special Radiant Barrier jacket out of the same material we use on our Eclipse OSB, but it's not. I lost an inter-office bet and I had to wear this. And yes, Trisha, your 7-layer dip is better than mine. But back to the OSB. Dude, like, God, this is ridiculous. I'm not wearing this. Whew, okay. Now, back to the OSB. Did we mention it comes in a variety of lengths and thicknesses and even has a Class B fire rating, which improves its performance capabilities? In summary, if you want to keep the aliens away from your innermost thoughts, you could use RoyOMartin mascot Otis the Bear's aluminum hat trick. But if you want to build a home that keeps the heat away, improves energy efficiency, reduces overall home temperatures, and lowers utility bills, choose Eclipse OSB Radiant Barrier from RoyOMartin. I'm Zach Zimmerman for another edition of Board Certified from RoyOMartin Wood Products, where high quality and sustainability go hand in hand. Thanks for joining us.